guys, Roddy back here again with The Vault, and today I've got a really nice frame-off restoration 1971 K5 Blazer. Now, this thing's got a custom little orange paint job with like some glitter flake inside of it. Of course, awesome black roof. It's got a custom wood bed on the inside as well as matching black and orange houndstooth interior. Now, this thing, like I said, it's been fitted with new gauges. It's got a Chevy 350 in it. It's 4-wheel drive. You name it, this thing is super duper cool for you and a passenger to cruise around looking super retro in this 1971 K5 Blazer. Top of this amazing paint job, you've got a matching painted frame underneath. You've got AC, you've got power brakes, you've got power steering. You're ready to go in this K5 Blazer. From front to back, this Blazer has just the right touches without just screaming that it's custom. You've got the exhaust. You, of course, have got chrome bumpers front and rear. And you've got the really nice billet grille that really sets off the front of this amazing little orange Blazer. You know it's a cool looking style. You know you wanted one, and this is the one to have. Make sure you check out more of our inventory as well as our 1971 K5 Blazer at thevaultms.com, or give us a call if you have any questions at 601-665-4027. We hope to hear from you real soon.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share on all our social media platforms and on YouTube. Once you've subscribed, be sure and click the bell.